Our teacher asked us, do you guys like being a twin? I say yes and Sarah says no.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Claire.
And we're twins.
Oh God, can we redo that? Sarah's personality.
I'm a little bit more laid back.
She's not a planner at all, which is funny because it's completely opposite of how I am.
Claire is
super organized.
like, we'll go on vacations and she'll have like an Excel doc.
Every part of the day broken out. Even with this, I planned it all on an Excel sheet and she didn't want to talk about it until this morning. I'm designing a bedroom for Sarah today.
And I'm designing a bedroom for Claire. Claire's style is a little bit more bold with colors.
Mine is like a nice clutter.
My room, it's a little bit different.
It's kind of plain.
Oh.
You look like you're getting mad. Her decor is simple colors. I think honestly you may have better decor style than I do.
I like your style,
Thanks.
but I do like my style.
Sarah. Claire. Claire. Sarah. Sarah. A tattoo? Sarah, you have 7 piercings. I don't want to say she's an impulse buyer.
I think Claire is really struggling not knowing what to pick before.
I think Sarah's gonna take it too far. I feel like if I pick out something that she doesn't like, she's just gonna completely play it dirty on me.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna play you dirty.
Okay, I think I'm gonna start with a bed. She has been in a twin bed most of her life, so I think she's ready for something different. Ooh, I kinda like this one.
I don't know how I'm feeling about the blue, if we're gonna be honest.
Oh, I like this one. This looks kind of antique-ish. Right, I think she's gonna like it. I don't know, or hate it.
I liked the gray.
Let's pick out a comforter. Oh, I like this white one, you know, kind of plain, simple, but it's got a nice texture on it. Ooh, 973 reviews, 4.6 stars. Oh yeah, this one's a keeper.
Ooh, Claire.
All right, let's look at dressers.
I love mirror dressers.
Oh, this white one. Oh yeah, it's got kind of like the wood finish to it. I feel like she might really like it, but I don't know.
Good job, Claire.
This painting looks like it's got Sarah written all over it.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, I think this would actually look really good above her bed. All right, add to cart.
But hopefully she'll add like just a little bit of color.
Maybe one more like storage space. Oh, I like this. She could put little colorful accents on this. I think I did a decent job.
I would have liked a little bit more color.
I think she's gonna sabotage me.
I'm a little nervous.
Oh, she should be nervous. I think I did a great job.
Let's go into the beds. So this is a white bed frame. It kind of has, you know, like a shutter look to it.
I really like that one.
For the comforter.
Oh, I like that one right there. She's hovering over
Ooh.
it. Click it.
Found it. It looks very comfy. It's a duvet cover set. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with the purplish color.
The rose dust.
So I'm looking at this wood ladder. It's this light wood. You can use it as a bookcase and you can put your blankets on there. I think she would really like that.
Sarah, great job. She's really killing it right now. She's doing a great job. I'm getting nervous now that my room was not great.
Let's start doing something for the wall.
Get the cow, get the cow.
I definitely see one that I like. It's called a Highland Cow.
Woohoo, I got the cow.
I need to find a dresser with some color. Okay, I love this double dresser, and I like that this dresser has 2 sides. It's a 6-drawer dresser.
Sarah, you just said you need more color.
I think I did good. I think it was hard not going with the stuff that I like.
I think she did a really good job. I think Sarah did better than I did.
Really? Yay!
You nailed it with the cow painting. And honestly, the comforter.
I know.
I thought was a great pick. Not too
Not
bright.
too crazy. I really like that bed frame.
You did?
Yeah.
I knew it.
Honestly, but I don't think I'd pick it out for myself, but I like it. You definitely got the abstract paintings.
Yeah.
If I could rate Claire out of 10, I'd give her an 8. She did a good job.
I think I'd give her an 8.6,
Hey, that's a little higher.
8.7.
I said I'd win. Do you think I won?
Yeah, don't let it go to your head. You won by 0.7 of a point.
Give me a 9, just round it up.
Nope.